Recent graduate unemployment just hit an all-time high of 5.8%. And new federal data shows that Gen Z grads may be no better off than Americans who never even earned a high school diploma. Basically meaning that you pay $80K to get into college, you give away 4 years of your life, and it's now likely that you won't even get a decent paying job. So what should you do? How can you make sure that you'll be able to provide for yourself in the near future when getting a good job is damn near impossible these days? And look, before you start to think, well, what the heck does this online millionaire know about being a student? Let me stop you right there. Because I went to business school for 5 years, and as far as I know, I'm the only 24-year-old on YouTube who went from zero to multi-millionaire as a full-time student. And in this video, I'll show you a simple process of how you can do the same as me by starting an online business that's perfect for beginners. And I'll get to that in just a bit. But first, you need to understand why the education system is slowly collapsing and why it simply doesn't work the way that it used to. Because the people that miss this, unfortunately, they almost never become successful. Look, we've all been sold this lie at some point. Go to school, get good grades, get a degree, get hired, go up the ladder, and make a good salary and live happily ever after with a white picket fence. That's what they told you would work. But back then, degrees used to mean something. And now that's just, for the most part, hardly the case anymore. The job market is getting completely oversaturated. In 2026, you're competing against 500 other people just for one entry-level position. And sure, even if you get extremely lucky and get hired, you're looking at maybe $40,000 to $50,000 a year. That barely covers rent and bills as things continue to get more expensive in 2026 with inflation. Go ahead and add your student debt on top of that, and you're underwater before you even start. Even worse is the fact that the company that hired you may or may not be actively looking for ways to replace you with AI. You're basically one ChatGPT update away from losing your entire career. And the real problem in all of this is that school only teaches theory that is already outdated. But the market wants people with real skills that can execute and generate results. Nobody cares if you can write 20-page essays about marketing. They care if you can run profitable Facebook ads that actually generate an ROI, or if you can set up funnels or systems to track data inside of a business and then use that to identify bottlenecks. You need to be learning skills that can actually make you valuable and in turn make you money. Copywriting, paid advertising, product research, sales psychology, data analysis, AI systems, and guess what? All of these skills have one thing in common. They cannot be taught or learnt in a classroom from textbooks. So all that being said, what is the best way to actually get these skills and get them fast? Well, there's a good way and a bad way of approaching this. And unfortunately, 99% of people end up taking the wrong path without even noticing it. They'd watch free YouTube videos, they'd read a ton of books, and maybe even buy some courses. And pretty soon they become overwhelmed with all this new information they just got. And because they're so overwhelmed, they never take any action. Now, maybe that sounds like you. And don't get me wrong here. Videos, books, and courses are all incredible resources to learn from about your skill, but they will never take you anywhere if you just sit there and don't put them into practice. That is why you need to find a vehicle that allows you to use these newfound skills and information in practice and then immediately start seeing results and get feedback. And in 2026, hands down, the best vehicle to actually do that is online business. Every new skill you're learning, every new piece of knowledge that you acquire can be put into action with an online business. And those actions will immediately show up in your bank account. In fact, you start to become excited to learn because every single little improvement directly correlates with you making more money and improving your entire life. You get better at copywriting, boom, conversion rate goes up, more sales. You level up your ad strategy, your ROI improves, you scale faster. Every action you take has potential upside. Every new thing you learn can help you make more money. Whereas in school, you're constantly asking yourself, where will I even use this information? And that is the difference. In a classroom, getting an A means nothing financially. In a corporate job, working harder and delivering something better might get you a 3% raise next year. But in online business, every skill improvement, every lesson learned, every optimization you make will result in an immediate income gain. when learning means you're also earning, you no longer need to force yourself to study. You simply just become obsessed with getting better. So naturally, you might now be thinking, well, sure, that all sounds good, but which online business should I actually start? Because as you probably know, there are a ton of options out there. Freelancing and agency, trading in crypto, digital products, the list really goes on, but as a student, there are some specific criteria that you need to look at in order to pick the best option for you. First, the business model that you pick has to be skill focused, meaning that you're learning as many skills as possible while doing it. You want to learn copywriting, marketing, sales, data analysis, skills that make you valuable and irreplaceable in the marketplace. Second, the business model has to have a low startup cost because as a student, you probably don't have thousands of dollars just sitting around as your startup capital. I mean, I know I didn't. And third, the model has to be able to scale to 6 figures fairly easily. Not only do you want to be able to make your first dollar quickly, but you also want to make sure that you can scale the model to a 6-figure income, or in my opinion, it's probably not even worth it. And fourth, it has to have a low time commitment. Look, you probably have classes you need to attend. Maybe you even have a part-time job so you can afford going to school. That means it's just impossible to put in 10 to 12 hours of work on the business specifically. So in order to find the best online business model for you, let's run through every option using these criteria. Let's start with freelancing and agency. Look, both of these models work the same. You get good at a specific skill, whether that be running ads, graphic design, website building, and then you pitch that skill to a business owner who's interested. Skill development here, very high actually. You're forced to learn one skill and get very, very good at it to the point where people are gonna pay you thousands of dollars for that skill. On top of that, you'll also get to learn how to sell yourself. In directly pitching clients, that's sales. Startup cost, very low. Look, you can start an agency for free. No inventory and no tools needed beyond what you already have. Now, when it comes to scalability to 6 figures, this is where things break down. I would say this is also low because here you're forced to fulfill for 10 to 15 clients just to hit $10,000 a month in profit. And usually that takes at least 10 hours per day. The thing is you cap out fast because you're still stuck trading your time for money. Making your first dollar can be quite difficult, especially as a beginner. A few years ago, this freelancing and agency market was definitely unsaturated and it was relatively easy for people such as myself to sign clients. And funnily enough, this is actually the first business model that I tried out as a student back in the day, and it used to work quite well. But nowadays, the biggest agencies have gained even more leverage with AI and have almost taken over the entire market. But don't get me wrong, it's still possible to sign clients, it's just quite a difficult model. Now the time commitment here, very high. You're basically putting yourself in a position where instead of just one boss, you have 10 bosses that, sure, you call clients, but they constantly need your attention. And so overall, these agency and freelancing models, they're solid, but I wouldn't recommend them for beginners and especially not students anymore. Next, let's move on to trading in crypto. And this is just buying and selling assets, stocks, bitcoins, altcoins. Essentially, you're trying to time the market and make profits on the price fluctuations. Now, the skill development here is pretty low. Look, you're learning technical analysis and chart patterns, but these aren't really transferable business skills such as sales or marketing. It's, in my opinion, a lot closer to just gambling than building a real business and something long-term. I would say medium, like you can technically start with, I don't know, $100, but to make any meaningful income with trading, you probably need to have thousands and thousands of dollars in capital. And also, most beginners lose money while they're first learning. Then we have scalability to 6 figures. I would say also very low. Look, the vast majority of retail traders lose money. Even professional traders struggle and lose hundreds of thousands of dollars a month because now you're competing against algorithms and institutional investors with billions of dollars behind them. I don't know about you, but it's not really a game I'd want to play as a student. On top of that, the time commitment is very high. Markets require constant monitoring. You're glued to charts, you're watching the news, stressed out about every price movement. So overall, I really wouldn't recommend this model for students. It's just too risky, too time intensive, and you're not building any real long-term business skills. So what about digital products? This is where you create courses, ebooks, templates, or other digital goods and sell them online. The skill development here actually is pretty high because you get to learn content creation, marketing, sales, email marketing. These are all extremely valuable skills. You can create a course or ebook with just your laptop. Also, the startup cost is very low. It's pretty much free. But the scalability to 6 figures, that's a little questionable. I'd put it at sort of the medium range, because there's a pretty big catch with this. It's that you likely need an audience first, or else you're not really gonna make serious money. And building an audience takes years. You need to build trust. You need to have thousands of subscribers or followers in your ecosystem. Daily videos, posts, emails going out, maybe even a full team behind you. And then of course you have to actually create the products as well. So we're likely talking about, I don't know, at least a year before seeing real long-term income coming from this model. And because you're a student, you need results within months and not years. So this isn't really a great short-term business model, but it's definitely a great long-term play to work towards while running another business, but too slow if you need the income now. Now, there is one online business model that not a lot of people know about yet. It's almost completely unsaturated, and only a very small group of people are taking advantage of it today. And this business model is AI dropshipping. And before you go and say, wait, isn't dropshipping dead? Let me stop you. Traditional dropshipping from 2019, where you're pretty much manually guessing products and waiting 6 weeks for AliExpress shipping, running generic Shopify stores, yeah, that model's dead. But AI dropshipping in 2026, completely different game. Let me run it through the criteria. So for skill development, very high. AI dropshipping forces you to learn product research, copywriting, paid advertising, data analysis, conversion optimization. Every single valuable skill that you need to succeed in any online business will be learned by doing e-com. Startup cost, also very low. A couple $100s for ads, or even $0 if you want to start with organic marketing. Literally $1 for your first month of Shopify. That's it. No inventory to buy, no warehouse fees, a lower barrier financially than even freelancing in many ways. Now, scalability to 6 figures, this is where AI dropshipping really shines. Because once you find a winning product with AI, you can scale that from $100 a day to $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day. You know, I personally made $115,000 in a month at the end of my first year in college as a student using this model. And that was before AI. Now, time commitment, I would say also pretty low. 2 to 3 hours a day is enough because AI handles your product research. Suppliers handle fulfillment automatically. You just focus on marketing and constant optimization. It fits perfectly around a student schedule. And I know this because this was the model that actually made me rich while I was a student. And speaking about time commitment, there is also something that I want to mention. Before you start thinking, I need to drop out and go all in on this, or this is it, I'm not going to college, hold your horses, because there's something you need to understand in order to succeed. I don't want you to get the wrong idea about me, because I'm not one of those influencers telling you that college is a scam. In fact, I actually went back for my final year at business college, and I made multiple millions of dollars that year, even as a student. So I'm here to tell you that you don't have to choose between going to school and building a business. In fact, being a student while building your business is actually gonna be your biggest superpower. And here's why. You get to become a master of time management. Think about it. When you only have maybe 4 to 5 hours a day because you're stuck in lectures all day, you are forced to focus on what actually matters. No distractions. And guess what? If you can make money with just a couple of hours per day while juggling all your classes, just imagine what happens when you graduate and all of a sudden you have your full days available. It's like this elastic band and you just keep tugging it, and once you have all that time back, it just snaps and you shoot, you explode. Plus, school gives you structure, routine, community, friends, things that matter for your development as a person, and can of course spill over into your career success as well. So my advice to you here is don't drop out immediately. If you start to make maybe $10,000 or $20,000 in profit per month and you need more time to scale, then I understand. Make an educated decision, and maybe that's pulling the trigger and dropping out of school. But if you're just starting and you're making your first few thousand, let's prove that you can succeed with the limited time you have first. So all that to say, if you're a student right now, start building while you're in school. When you graduate, you'll already have a business making money while everyone else is just starting their job search. And good luck with that. If you're in high school and you have the opportunity to go to college without taking on massive debt, I would personally say do it. Get out of your hometown. Get out of your parents' house. Learn to live on your own. Meet new people and grow as a person. And in your free time, build an online business. Back to AI dropshipping, at this point you must be wondering how you can start doing it right now. And luckily for you, I've put together a free AI dropshipping course that you can claim by going to the first link in the description. Now, I'm a partner with Shopify, so they actually pay me to provide all of this for free. So I don't know how much longer I can continue giving away all this information, so make sure you go watch it now. And it also includes a free AI dropshipping resource pack that will help you get everything off the ground, even as a student. Now also, if you want to see me trying AI dropshipping from zero and challenging myself to get to $1,000 a day in just 7 days, then watch this video next. And spoiler alert, it didn't go as planned. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.